Do you want to become a VLSI engineer? Here are 5 essential skills you should possess. Number 1. Proficiency in hardware description languages. Mastering languages like Verilog or VHDL is crucial for describing behavior of electronic circuits, particularly digital logic circuits at various levels of abstraction. Number 2. Simulation expertise. Witness your designs come alive through simulation. Simulations tool aid in debugging and refining your circuits before they're manufactured. Number 3. Mastery of tools. It's imperative to be proficient in CAD tools such as Cadence or Synopsys. These tools are instrumental in designing and testing integrated circuits. Number 4. Problem-solving abilities. VLSI demands creativity and critical thinking for troubleshooting and optimizing chip performance. Be prepared to tackle intricate challenges and devise innovative solutions. Number 5. Adaptability. In an industry that's constantly evolving, adaptability is key. Stay inquisitive, continue learning, and remain receptive to embracing new technologies and trends. Are you looking to fast-track your journey? Chipedge provides comprehensive VLSI training programs instructed by industry experts. For more information, visit our website www.chipedge.com or contact us at 844 844 8839.